Yo, Gully Grandpa back. Listen. Rice. Fuck with that rice. Let me get my rice. I keep it up here in this motherfucker here. Look at all that rice. Now, let me show you something. I get this straining bowl, right? You see this, what the fuck is this nigga doing? Okay, I pour some rice in here when it's gonna go in the head, but I pour my rice in here and I run water over it to help get some of that early starch off of it, you know what I'm saying? But here's my pot that I put in my cooker. So in that pot beforehand is this. Got my olive oil, right? A little bit of olive oil, right? Pepper, salt. Got my salt, pepper, cilantro. I know this shit is and my lime juice. Now, peep this. Don't need too much oil. A little bit of oil. A little bit of oil, right? Throw my oil in there. Alright. Put a little pepper, salt, pepper. I said this was pepper. Fucking salt. You know what I'm saying? And I put it in the bottom so it could be all over the damn thing. Okay, now. Get my rice, right? I usually do 2 cups of rice, but I rinse off a cup at a time, right? Get that in there. Get that in that water, man. Get that in that water, man. You can even swirl it around a little bit with your clean motherfucking hands. All right. You know what? I'm gonna switch it around a little bit. I'm gonna throw my butter in there too. I usually do this routine twice, you know what I'm saying? So, boom, throw my butter in there. Oh shit. Throw my butter in there. Throw my rice in there. And move this shit out the way. Check it. Got my cilantro. If I can open this bitch. Motherfucker. If I can open this bitch. Yeah. And I just sprinkle it, you know. Not crazy, but enough to like get that shit up in there. Alright. Nice. Add some more salt. Ooh. I almost forgot my lime juice. I usually put 4 teaspoons in, but I put 2 and 2. 2 at a time. So there's 1. There's 2. Alright. I put my salt. Put some pepper. Alright. Throw my butter in there. Bap. Butter in there. Bap. Rice, that'll help. This is a 1/2 cup measuring cup, so like I said, I do 2 cups, which is 4 of them bitches. Get the rinse going. Rinse my fingers off. Y'all think I ain't see that? Rinse my fingers off. I don't fuck with food, man. I keep it clean. Okay. Throw that up in there. Okay, I don't need butter no more. I put my butter away. bump, 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 bump. Some more cilantro in that bitch. Okay. And a little bit more lime. Get that up in there. Let that just soak into that nice rice. Put some water in this motherfucker. Hold on. Got a measuring thing. I put it up to 4 cups. I'm not adding 4 cups of water. I'm just adding 4 cups to the measuring line. There we go. Put it in my cooker. Okay, take a hit. And hits are important. Put your shit back. The thing about me, I clean as I go along because I don't really like a dirty kitchen like when you got a whole bunch. I try to keep that motherfucker clean as I cook. That way it's less work at the end of the day. Got my dishwasher, so throw a lot of shit in there. This shit I don't need no more. I'm gonna just rinse it out, throw it out. That little plastic top that I was mixing in. Now, your cooker, you put your rice on. Got my chicken in. Got my pot boiling. Then put my greens in a minute. Then when it all comes together, I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. That shit gonna be the shit. You understand me? It's gonna be the shit. Ain't we lucky we got 'em? It's gonna be the shit. Be back. Gully Grandpa. Like, subscribe, follow, all that other shit. Comment. All that good shit. Alright? Be right back.